Hello there. Welcome back to Flavors of Ruby, where we make the most delicious meals, but in its simplest form. For today's recipe, we have our air-fried Cajun shrimp stir-fry. Wow, that's a mouthful. For our ingredients, we have our grated fresh ginger, our shrimp, our red, yellow, and green bell peppers sliced, and our sliced red onion. We also have our oyster sauce, our Cajun seasoning, our fish seasoning, olive oil, and minced garlic. Into my air fryer goes my peppers and onions, my shrimp, grated ginger, a tablespoonful of minced garlic, followed by the Cajun seasoning, the fish seasoning, olive oil, and the oyster sauce. After which I gave it a very good mix. I tasted for the salt level, which was perfect. Then I proceeded to put it into my air fryer for 20 minutes at my usual 390 degrees. As the air fryer was doing its thing, I proceeded to wash some white rice, jasmine to be precise. I then put it into my microwave safe glass bowl, added some water, salt, and drizzle a little bit of olive oil. I then covered it and put it in my microwave to cook for 25 minutes. Please take note that my glass bowl is safe for cooking in the microwave. Not every glass bowl can do this, but it depends on what the type you have. As my rice was doing its thing, I went on to check on the shrimp and veggies in the air fryer. I then proceeded to take a tablespoonful of cornstarch, mixed it with about 5 tablespoonfuls of water, and 5 minutes before the cooking time is up, I poured the mixture in. I then allowed it to cook for the remainder of the minutes left. After about 20 minutes, I went back to check on the rice and it was well cooked. At this point, our shrimp stir fry is also ready. I turned the air fryer off and proceeded to serve. As you can see, you know you can cook some of the most delicious meals without turning on your stove? Well, this is one recipe you should try. Just look at that. It's super delicious without so much stress. This is a good weeknight dinner. I sincerely hope you've learned something new in this video and you're going to try this, especially for those who eat shrimp and love seafood. Until I see you in my next video, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Alright, you have a wonderful day and bye.